उन्होंने कहा ये आदमी सही नहीं है, ये तो डेमोक्रेसी पे पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा है. We just need to ask questions. You do not fulfill their expectations. Will they still love you as much as they do now? Come here. And he would talk, and the other person would be like, oh my God, what is he talking about? You know, the youth was really inspired because with the questioning, they could realize that whatever he was saying was truth. But whenever somebody tries to make sense too much and people start to become popular among the masses, who becomes troubled? People in power. Now they were, no. तो उन्होंने कहा, he is corrupting the youth. Corrupting the youth, इसको करो जेल में बंद. And when Plato was a student, he was the student of Socrates. एक आदमी था जो एथेंस में घूमता रहता था. There was an old man who used to roam the streets of Athens. Socrates. So before we move forward, let's have a little talk about Socrates. Socrates was a very interesting man. So he said that we know everything. We already know everything. And the best way to teach anyone is just to ask questions. So if you start asking right questions, the knowledge which is already within us will come out. सब कुछ अपने आप से express होने लगेगा. So he said that we just need to ask questions to our. So he started asking questions. Started asking questions like, what makes you happy? बताओ. हाँ. Boring answer. बिरयानी खा, है ना. अच्छा, playing cricket. Why do you feel happy while playing cricket, not football? क्योंकि हमेशा से क्रिकेट खेला है. हमेशा से क्रिकेट ही क्यों खेला है? जिस एनवायरनमेंट में थे वहां पे क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा था. We were basically influenced by our environment. This means, is this your happiness or the happiness imposed by the society? You understand? How are we reaching the knowledge and conclusions? Through questioning. This way of questioning and bringing out knowledge, the way of questioning and bringing out truth from the other person and highlighting the inconsistency of thoughts, this was the method of Socrates, which is known as dialectic method. तुम्हें लग रहा हो कि मैं तुम्हें कुछ डिक्टेट करवाऊंगी, तो मैं बता दूं, मैं डिक्टेट नहीं करवाऊंगी. करवाऊंगी थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन ये सब नहीं करवाऊंगी. तो तुम्हारे हाथ चलते रहने चाहिए. जब तक तुम्हारे हाथ चलेंगे क्लास चलेगी. ठीक है बसंती, तो कॉपी पेन निकालो और ये जो डायग्राम्स बने हुए हैं ये बना लो. अच्छा, बना लिए. ओल्ड वाले तो एकदम ठीक है, ये नए वाले थोड़े अभी ट्रेन करने पड़ेंगे ना. ये डायलेक्टिक मीन्स क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. बाद में बहुत डिटेल में समझाऊंगी मैं डायलेक्टिक. डायलेक्टिक पे भी एक ऐसे आ चुका है. वैसे मैं बता दूं, यूपीएससी का बहुत फेवरेट है फिलोसफी. Nowadays all philosophical essays they have found, like, you know, let's ask one philosopher from philosophy. Okay, so the method used by Socrates was dialectic. But is it a very easy method? It's a very, very painful method, because when I ask questions and you have to highlight your inconsistencies, people feel offended. No, 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 no. This is my happiness. This is not society's happiness. So, जैसे अब मैं तुमसे और थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट सवाल पूछती हूँ, है ना? कौन कोई है? Any volunteers? Okay, let's take it. Volunteers. So, your parents love you. Why do they love you? Okay, so they would love anybody else if that person was their child? They would have loved anybody who was their child? Okay, okay. So, now tell me, like, if supposedly you do not fulfill their expectations, will they still love you as much as they do now? Oh, कोई बात नहीं. Yeah, that's what we want to believe. You understand something? You understand? So up now this process is a little painful. So it is like, so Socrates said that ये जो काम है ना फिलोसोफर का, सच बाहर निकालने का, ये मिडवाइफ वाला काम है. मिडवाइफ कौन होती है? Who is a midwife? The one, the nurse who helps in the labor process, who helps a mother to give birth. So Socrates says that work of a philosopher is to ask right questions and bring the truth out, and it's a painful process, but ultimately, yes, this is how we get the knowledge of some good or harsh truths of life. You understand this? So this is how Socrates was, and this he tried on everyone. वो सड़क पे निकलते थे और थोड़े इधर आए. So Socrates was like, come here, and he would talk, and the other person would be like, oh my God, what is he talking about? But slowly and steadily he started gaining a lot of fans. You know, the youth was really inspired because with the questioning they could realize that whatever he was saying was truth. Whatever he was talking about was something which made sense. But whenever somebody tries to make sense too much and people start to become popular among the masses, who becomes troubled? People in power. उन्होंने कहा ये आदमी सही नहीं है, ये तो डेमोक्रेसी पे पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा है. ये तो कह रहा है कि डेमोक्रेसी तो मीडियोकर लोगों का काम है. शिप का कैप्टन अगर पॉपुलर आदमी हो तो थोड़े ना शिप चलाना जानता है. के लिए तो कोई, मतलब समझ में आ रहा है? बड़ी सारी बातें होने लगी. नाउ देवर नो. तो उन्होंने कहा ही इज करप्टिंग द यूथ. करप्टिंग द यूथ, इसको करो जेल में बंद. उसको करा जेल में बंद. जब जेल में बंद किया, when he was put in prison, he had his own fans, his students and fans. They came and they said, boss, there is, you know, these demigods will not understand your truth, so you please run away. We have made all the arrangements, you just leave the prison, because tomorrow you will be given poison, hemlock matlab poison, you will be given poison and killed. Socrates said, okay, look, I can of course run, but then it will not be the right thing to do. It will not be the right thing to do. I am not against state. I don't want to escape anything. I just want the truth to come out. And that is why he did not run. He took that hemlock and it is one of the most courageous acts of truth which he did. तो इसीलिए आज तक हम सोक्रेटिस को याद करते, क्योंकि उन्होंने भागना नहीं कहा, उन्होंने कहा यार if I am right then I am right, I don't need to run away from anything. उन्हीं का स्टूडेंट था प्लेटो,